Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a section view in FreeCAD. And here I have a model, a simple part, and I have created this drawing here, and I will show you how you can take the section view and we will see the sections properties of the section view. So for that I will on my frame here and I will delete this view, and then I will select my this base view and I will say the sections. So I will get the option of create a section. So first one is a base view, which is our view, and scale is 7, and I wanted to go for this first options. So once I click it, the section view is created. Now you can move this sections line with this sections plane in X, Y and Z directions. For example, I wanted to pass my section from this holes to this hole, so which is a distance of 3 mm. So I will go simply here and give the dimensions and I will say OK. So you can see that our section has been modified and our section line moved from here to here. Now if I set the value 0, so now our section line came to the center, and here you can change the scale of your sections, but I will keep as it is with my base view and I will say OK. And you can easily toggle this frame, just click on and say toggle with frame. And this is how you can create a section view of any part in a FreeCAD. So this is all about a very small tutorial for a beginner level, how to take the sections in a FreeCAD. If you like this tutorial, then please subscribe my channel. Your small support will help these channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.